We are sitting at the train tracks, and the train's not moving. I'm with my puppies, that's tailing, and this is Jenny, and that is excuse me, that is Brown Dog, and this is Wilbur James. And the train is not moving. What are we gonna do about it, mamas? Mamas, I think that you should turn to Johnny, that's a real good idea. I'll back up and go down that street. 'Cause we are surrounded by cornfields, and there may be children, and they're named Malachi, that are gonna get us if we don't turn around. This has been a song by Patty and the Critters. I hope you enjoyed it. It's called Train's Not Moving. Parentheses, Malachi may be in the cornfields.